Is that coming to Toch?
No.
No?
He doesn't want to go.
Does he want any Toch?
He doesn't want any Toch either.
Why not?
Some people aren't about the midnight taco runs, but we are. Welcome to the party wagon.
Never mind, bring the beat back.
Alright, so here we are.
We're at the TB, we made it. Let's get it.
It's raining sideways, and I stepped on a fork and forks.
Out here in the bush, it's freaking windy. Wind. Gosh. Raining sideways. So yeah, I think
Check, yep, check. Would you dare say I'm not the sexiest mother bug either? Just making sure I look absolutely ridiculous as possible.
recording.
Yeah. Until you...
Oh god, that was so close.
Whatever, dude.
Swear to God.
Swear to God.
It's gonna look double.
It's cold today, Elliot.
I know, bro.
Oh yeah. A little bit of an update here on how she goes. She doesn't go well. Swells were pretty cold, not very big, but it's only day one of many trips this summer. So yeah, the best wave is still out there to be found, and I'm confident we'll catch her. We just gotta keep our eyes peeled and our boards waxed and be ready. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I know you do. Sticky. And you lose some. That's how it goes.